take about 3 years.
Well, it's that or go find a bicycle pump at the store.
I got one here.
Okay, well, it's moving. If you pump it faster, it'll work better.
I need to shift to the right hand routine here.
I guess your right hand's stronger.
Yeah, well, it's used to that kind of rhythm, I guess. How do you do?
Okay, so we started around 10 o'clock position. We're about 11:30 right now. And if we had a bicycle pump or an electric bicycle pump, it'd be a whole lot easier.
Yeah.
Okay, give it a break. Now with Charles' gas law, because we did all that friction, got hot.
Yeah.
Not hot, but warm.
Yeah, I understand.
So it'll drop a little bit. So what number is our pressure gauge on?
30, I think it said. 28?
28 psi?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll remember that. We'll come back in 10 minutes and see what it's sitting at.
Okay.
So 28 psi right now. And around 11:30, 11:45 on the scale. Okay.